So student, today we will solve artist puzzle game on code.org website. For this, first we will type code.org artist puzzle on Google and then search it and then open this link. Then rotate the device. This game have 10 tasks. In this video, we will solve 1 to 5 tasks. In first task given is that we have to make a square. The side of the square is 100 pixel and first we have to turn the sprite in right direction with 90 degree. Okay. Now try it. First we have to turn the sprite in right, then move forward with the side of the square, that is 100 pixel. This one is 100 pixel, and now run this. Now we have required to turn the sprite in left direction, then again move forward. Check it. Again required to turn it left direction. Okay. Then move forward. Okay. Now check it. One more step. Turn left. Then move forward. Then check it. Fine. Now go to next task. Now we have to require to make a diamond shape. Given is that with 60 degree angle and 120 degree angle, and the side of the diamond is 150 degree pixel. 150 pixel. Okay. So first we have to move forward with 150 pixel. Okay, try to run it. Now look at here, the angle, check the angle, this one, and you have to move in this direction, that is 180 degree angle. One 120 degree, sorry. Then turn left in with 120 degree angle. Okay, and then again move forward with 150 pixel. Now again check. Okay, now we have required to turn, look at here, this, and we have to turn here, this is the 60 degree angle. So move left with 60 degree angle and then move forward with 150 pixel. Then again turn. Okay, now we have required again to turn with 120 degree angle and then move forward with 150 pixel and then Now continue to third task. In third task, we have to design a hexagon, and each side of the hexagon is 100 pixel with 120-degree angle. Okay, look at here. Hexagon have 6 side, so we have to move forward and then turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. This command in 6 time. Move forward, turn right with 60-degree angle. Check it. Now again move forward, turn right with 60-degree angle. Move forward, turn right, 60-degree angle. Move forward, turn right, 60-degree angle. Turn right with 60-degree angle. Move forward, turn right with 60-degree angle. Okay, check it. One more. Move forward. Okay, and turn right with 60-degree angle. Now 6 time we have add move forward and turn 60-degree right command in 6 time. Okay, now this task is complete. Now go to fourth task. In fourth task, given is that we have to use a repeat command or a repeat loop to complete this hexagon. To design this hexagon, we have to use this repeat loop. You know that we have used move forward command, then turn right command. The couple of this command we have used 6 times. So use repeat command, put this command inside the repeat loop and join it. Now got to fifth task. In fifth task we have to design this beautiful flower. Okay, and here some set of command is already given. This set of command is already given. Check it, this command first by running. Okay, by using these set of command we can design one petal of the flower. Okay, and this flower have how much? 12 petal. So we have to require to repeat this set of commands 12 times. So use repeat loop here and put this set of command inside the repeat loop and join this and put here the number 12. Okay, now in this set of command, the first command is saying that move forward by 60 pixel. Move forward by 60 pixel, then turn 30-degree angle with 30-degree angle. 30 degree. That means turn in this direction. Then again move forward with 60. This one is 60 pixel. Then 30 degree. This one is 60 pixel. and then again turn right with 150-degree angle. Here we have to turn right 150-degree angle, and then move forward again 60 pixel, and then turn with 30-degree angle, and then move forward with 60 pixel. Okay, to make this beautiful flower petals. Okay, now access this, run. Okay, now fifth task is complete. In next video I will explain from 6 to 10 task. Okay, thank you class.